Hi angels, hi my lovelies. I'm back with another video. So today's video, I have a Coach unboxing. But it's not just your regular unboxing. I have some items right here by Coach. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this time around from Coach, go ahead and keep on watching. So yeah, you guys, this is a Coach jewelry unboxing, and I'm so excited about this unboxing because it's been a while. It's been several years since I ordered any Coach jewelry from Coach. A while ago, I had a couple of Coach bangles, and I haven't purchased any jewelry items in a long time from Coach. So if you're interested in seeing that, go ahead, give me a like, hit that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload videos and anytime I do Coach unboxings. So today we're gonna start out, and look at my girl Raina over there looking so cute. She representing in her little Coach hat, in her Coach fit, and in her Coach belt, you guys. Raina right there, Queen Raina. So let's go ahead, let's get started. I did notice that this package has the little pull tab. All of them don't always have the pull tab, but it's good when you have one that has the pull tab, and then you don't have to make a mess with debris everywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this. So, you know, I don't think I'm gonna be needing the scissors unless I need it for something on the inside of the package. I'm really excited about this particular unboxing. So I ordered a couple items, and I ordered 3 things, and I was hoping that all 3 things came in this one envelope, and I think they did. So I'm gonna go ahead, I have my receipt right here. I'm gonna take that out. And then I have the 3 items right here, and we're going to begin to talk about them. So first of all, I wanted to say, one of the first items that I ordered was a pair of hoop earrings. And they had 2 of the hoop earrings, the Coach hoop earrings, online when I was ordering, and I wasn't quite sure about the size. I like really large hoop earrings, if you can't tell already. I'm always wearing hoops, you know, especially I think, you know, when you wear your hair down sometimes, you can't really see my earrings because, you know, your hair is long and it covers the earrings. So I like the larger hoops so that you can see visibly that I'm wearing earrings. And then sometimes, like today, I have a little bantu knot hairstyle, and even with my hair up, sometimes the earrings will look super cute, the hoop earrings. I have my purse on, you guys. This is my purse of the day, my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love, and I was going to talk to you guys in a little bit about that too, my bag of the day. But let's go ahead and continue with the jewelry first. So I have my purse strapped around me, my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love. So as I was saying about the hoop earrings, I don't know, I grew up wearing hoops like Jenny from the block. You know, I'm a hood girl from around the way that loves wearing hoops. Who doesn't? And I have several pairs. I have the small and the larger ones, but I wanted some Coach hoop earrings. So there were 2 sizes is what I was trying to say. And what these are so cute. I can see them through the bag. What I ended up doing was I went, believe it or not, even though I like the large hoop earrings, I couldn't believe I went with the smaller size. And my reasoning was, what I ended up doing was I took off my own earrings and measured them, and then I went with the comparable size online because the other pair was a little bit even larger, and I thought I needed the larger pair, but after I measured them up to my hoop earrings, I realized I didn't need that larger pair. So this is what they look like, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see them through the bag, but I'm just going to go ahead and open them up too. I didn't realize that the lettering Coach was going to be written so large on them, because online, you know, they give you a couple pictures, but you still can't really make it out and see how large they are online. And now that I actually have them in my hands, I could actually see how large the word writing, the lettering is that says Coach. These are some bad babies right here. I'm going to enjoy these so much. I'm so grateful for these. Oh my God, they're so cute. And it's gonna be killer because I think I told you guys in one of my other videos, if I ever lose an earring, then I end up having to buy a second pair. And you know what? They have some weight to them. They say Coach. They say Coach on them, and I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I might have to show you guys in a picture or in a clip, but it says Coach right there. I'm working on it, so hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, maybe you can see it a little bit better now. And I don't know if it's gonna read backwards for you guys. When I tell you these say Coach so large on them, I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I'm gonna take out the earrings that I have. And these are 2.5 inches. So the Coach ones that I ordered are 2.5 inches because the other ones were gonna be even larger. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. I'm not sure which one goes for which ear. And you can see how they match my earring perfectly. They match the size of my earring perfectly. And they say Coach in there, and the Coach writing is large enough. I didn't think anybody was going to visibly be able to see it, but you actually can see where it says Coach on the earring. You actually can see where it says Coach on the earring. I don't know if you're going to be able to see, you know, the detail. I'm going to have to go ahead and maybe do another video on these where you can actually see the detail. Let me go ahead and take this one out. I'm so excited. They're heavy. They're not like heavy, too heavy to bog your ear down, but they're heavy. They have some weight to them. I didn't expect them to have that much weight to them. These are really, really nice. I did bring in a pair of another one of my fly girlhood earrings in here just to show you guys. So this is another pair I rock out and wear sometimes, and I'll put a close-up picture here so that you guys can see them really well. But I am a fan of the really large hoop earrings, and these have like a little MG on them. Yeah, I am a fan of the larger hoop earrings. These are really, really cute on also. They're like bamboo, but they're, you know, gold earrings, and these are really nice. So I ended up going with the hoop earrings. Since I showed you that pair, I brought this pair in here to show you as well. I figured since I was showing you a few pairs, I would show you this pair as well of some of my larger earrings when I want to go really super large and be like bad girl Riri, be like bad girl Rihanna. You know, I go ahead and rock those out. But this pair is so nice, and I will go ahead and, like I said, enclose pictures. I'm so happy with those. Okay, so the next item that I picked up from Coach was right here. We'll do this one next, and it's a bangle. And I'm gonna enjoy wearing this bangle. I think I'm gonna wear it on the side with my Tiffany. I don't think I wanna wear it with my Pandora bracelets because I don't want it to scuff and scratch up the bangle. Or I might just have to wear it as a statement piece on its own without anything else. But I just ordered a Coach bangle, and this is it right here. Oh, it's so cute. Now this is smaller than I thought, but that's okay. The earrings were larger in scale than they look online, and the bangle looked larger online and is smaller in scale. So you never really know. I guess you never really know what you're gonna get. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. This is so cute. So this is the Coach bangle that I ordered, and it just has the classic Coach C right there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Once again, I'll enclose pictures. And what I had to do with this, I had to make sure I got the one that was the hinged bangle, because my wrist is too large to go through the ones that you just stick your hand through. You know, the area of my fist, or whatever you call that circumference. When I try to push my hand through a bangle, my hand, you know, your hand can be large sometimes unless you get a really big bangle. So I had to get the one that you can open. And it's magnetic, and you see how you can open that, and then that way it will go on really easily. And it's gold interior, and it says Coach. It's supposed to say Coach in there somewhere, I remember. Yeah, it does. It's stamped with Coach on the interior right there. And then you just go ahead and open it, and there it is. That's what it looks like on my hand. It's so beautiful with the gold. That's really pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I got the earrings and the bracelet, and the last and final item that I went ahead and purchased was a necklace. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I always wear a lock and a key. I always wear this lock, and this is a Michael Kors lock, and this key right here. So, I mean, I shower in this lock and key. I take a bath in the lock and key. I sleep in this lock and key. The only time I don't sleep in it is if you know, if you're sick, if I have a headache, or if I'm not feeling well. Sometimes jewelry, you know, I don't want to sleep in jewelry then, because then it becomes a little, you know, you get a little irritated. But for the most part, I do everything in this lock and key, and I never take it off. I wear it in every single video. I wear it all day, 24 hours around the clock. I wear it to work. I wear it when I'm not working. So I don't really change up my necklaces very often or take it off. But I found something. I finally found something that made me come out, that's gonna make me come out of my lock and key. And I'm gonna open it up right here, and it's a Coach necklace. I saw it online. I'm singing because I'm happy. I saw it online, and I was like, okay, I like that one. I could do that one. So it's a Coach necklace, and I hope you can see what it is. Okay, this is smaller than I thought. It's still cute, but you saw my real reaction. I'm not disappointed, but I thought it was bigger. They blew this thing up and magnified it online, you guys. It looks super. So it's good that in case any of you guys out there are thinking about purchasing it, you will know from my experience here, it's very tiny. The earrings are a yes. The bangle is a yes. The necklace is a yes, but I wish it was larger. I wanted more of a statement Coach necklace. We're gonna see how this works out. I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna keep it, but I am a little disappointed about the size of the necklace. I thought the horse and carriage was a little bit larger because, like I said, they magnified. It's funny how the earrings looked smaller, the hoops, and it wasn't as magnified. I thought the Coach writing would have been smaller, the Coach lettering, and it's bigger. And then the necklace right here is smaller. Okay, I'm gonna move on past that point. I'm still talking about that. It has a cute little Coach dangle right at the at the fastener. It has a cute little Coach dangle right at the fastener, and then you're just gonna go ahead and I think I should take off what I have on. I think I should take it off. Let me take it off so that we can really see what it looks like around me. Shouldn't take me that long. Take the Michael Kors off, and let me go ahead and take, I can't believe I'm taking my key off. I never take this key and this Michael Kors lock off. Okay, so now I think I can go ahead and put the Coach one on. Go ahead and put that baby on. And you can, okay, I have it to where it drops right here a little low, or you could bring it up a little higher. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but I'm really happy with these pieces, you guys. It feels good around my neck. I wanted it to be a little bit larger, but I do think you can see it. But the bangle worked out really, really nice. And these earrings are so super fly. I'm gonna get my fly girl on, my Jenny from the block on with this. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about that, the Coach jewelry. And the last thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this. So I have my waist trainer on today, you guys. I'm working on it. I'm trying to lose some of the pandemic weight. So I have this neoprene waist trainer on, and it's just a waist trainer. It's called the neoprene hourglass tank, and it's for conditioning, and you can use it when you're working out. You can use it just every day as you're working around the house, or if you're working at your job. Nobody knows that you have it on, but it's a nice neoprene waist trainer. Now, of course, when you wear it and you're working out, it's gonna help you to sweat and lose some of the pounds and shed some of the weight. But I'm just wearing it right now today. So I wanted to just go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with as far as my waist trainer. I'm trying to get it down. And then also, this is my bag of the day. So let me go ahead and just move this over. This is my bag of the day, my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love. And I just was rocking this with my little Michael Kors outfit. I just did a Coach unboxing and I'm wearing a Michael Kors outfit. That's okay. I'm wearing my Michael Kors fit, but this is my Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love. That is my bag of the day. And this bag is really nice because it can go crossbody, or you can wear it short shoulder, or you can wear it as just a shoulder bag. So the strap is very nice because you can go ahead and wear this strap different ways and, you know, adjust the strap to different lengths and carry this bag. So this is my bag of the day, the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love. I have videos on this bag. I'm going to do more videos on this bag. This is my lovely handbag of the day, the Rebecca Minkoff Jumbo Love. But I wanted to talk to you ladies just about my waist trainer. So I have my waist trainer on, you guys, and you can see the little area of it right here. And I'm really going to work on trying to lose and shed some pounds. But I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about it, the waist trainer. So I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Coach. And I'll see you again soon in another video.